Hello again, first grade. We are going to warm our brains up by segmenting the sounds in words. So remember, that's when we give a whole word and we have to break apart all of the sounds in that word. So if my word was two, I would finger stretch t. Ooh are my sounds. Let's have you try. My first word is T. Say it. What are the sounds? T, E. Very good. Next, your word is boo. Say it. What are your sounds? B. Boo. Very good. Last, your word is hey. What are your sounds? A. Excellent job. Alrighty guys, we are going to move on. We've got some new high frequency words. So I'm going to start, whoops, I skipped ahead. I'm going to start with the word here. Say here. In here, there are 4 letters. Let's finger stretch the sounds. E, er. So in the word here, I have the sounds E, er. I think you can see we have a couple of heart parts. So first, it's our E, because this E is not saying like it should. And then we have our second E, because that E is not saying anything. So we have 2 parts that we need to remember by heart in the word here. Let's go to our next high frequency word for today. Next is the word hour. Can you say it? Very good. I see that hour has 3 letters. Let's finger stretch. Ow, er. There are 2 sounds in hour. Ow, er. I like hour. Class is awesome. So in this word hour, the heart part is that O and U together. They're making the ow sound, like whenever you get a boo girl. Okay, so let's remember by heart that those 2 letters are making the ow sound. All right, let's go to our next one. Is it here? Hour. This is our word was. Was has 3 letters. Let's finger stretch how many sounds? W, z. Was also has 3 sounds. But guess what? You might be able to hear that A is going up. That's not what A says. So that's going to be a heart part of was. And then also, when you say that word, that S is kind of making a Z sound at the end of it. So we have to remember by heart that was is spelled W-A-S. Very good. All right, first grade, we have this word as well. This is the word when. When has 4 letters, like when are we going to go outside? But let's finger stretch the sounds in when. W, n. When has 3 sounds. W, n. Now I think you guys learned, most of you in kindergarten, that when W and H are right next to each other in a word, they go W, like in whistle. If you remember W-H, whistle, W. I am going to go ahead and put a heart over top of it, just in case we forget it. Maybe later on in first grade we can erase that heart, and we can remember that W and H together make the W sound. Okay. All right, guys, you're doing great. We have a couple words to practice here, so I'm going to practice them. I want you to say them right after me. When, here, was, hour, no, so, his, that, find, play, go, yes, away, that's a tricky one, let's do it again, away, with, day, say. Very good. So first grade, we are going to end our lesson on our video right now you're going to go to Seesaw and complete some activities. I'm going to give you a heads up that there is going to be a new story. So I'll read a couple of pages in your story, and then you're going to finger stretch sounds and words that you need to, and read your high frequency words to finish that story for me today. Okay? You've got this. Do your best.